Hey everybody, so I'm in the art office right now and you might hear Miss Jenny's class, and there's a guy talking on a video just in case you're wondering. But today we're going to talk about skin spheres. We're going to practice all three, and the reason is you just never know which colors you might need for your portrait, but it's good practice to practice layering and everything. So this is a lighter skin tone. And here I listed in order the colors I use. So even for a light skin tone, you will use a dark brown. There's a funky lilac color in there too. It helps give a realistic tone. This is a medium skin tone color. And again, this is just a double. I didn't mean to put that there, okay? So it's sienna brown and then burnt ochre. And then the last one's a darker skin tone. And here are all the colors. And you do actually use a violet with this skin tone, okay? Today I'm going to do the middle tone for you. So to start it off, I already went through my packet or my box of color pencils, and I have them all here ready to go. It took me a minute. I had to go through several pencils. So you guys are all sharing your boxes, so you're gonna have to share these as well. Different people should work on different tones at different times, okay? And then you do need a tape roll, and you're going to, I'm starting in the middle with the mid-tone. We're going to trace the inside of the tape roll so they're all the same. Okay, oh, that looks terrible. Getting another one. See, I make mistakes just like you. So I'm going to try to eyeball and center it on my page. Do lightly, very lightly. And then I'm going to do another one. Try to keep it centered on your page. They should all be on the same plane. Okay, and the third one's gonna go right here. I really want this to look just like the handout on the table, okay? So light, medium, dark. I'm gonna work on the medium one today. Oh, there's an annoying shadow in the way. Sorry, guys. So if I look at my handout, I'm gonna start with beige, and I'm going to color the whole circle beige, and then I'm gonna color it all peach, and then I'll go from there. I do have a PowerPoint, and it shows like step by step with photos what I do, but this is gonna be a time lapse for you, okay? What should I should start with beige. So here's beige. Now with your color pencils, sometimes the end of them are dirty, so you might need to resharpen or like draw off the dirt, because you definitely don't want to have a dark color in here. And look, something's on my finger that keeps smearing. You see that? Frustrating. All right, so we're gonna take our beige in here. Now if you notice, I'm kind of holding in the middle of the pencil. I'm not at the end of the pencil. I'm not near the lead of the pencil either. Coming in here with about, I would say like a 3 value on a scale of 1 to 10. This is about a 3. I am focusing on just getting some value down and no smears, no scribbles. Trying to apply it smoothly. So if you hold your pencil like I am, you only move your fingers around. You don't move your whole hand. You're not holding it like this. Don't hold it like this. Keep it nice and smooth. I noticed there that there was starting to become a darker area where they overlap. So I went back over it again. You can also do small circles, which look like this. The trick with small circles is you have to keep going over it a bunch, but it really does help smooth out things. All right, I'm gonna time lapse this because I want to take my time and make it look good. Okay, everybody? See you in a minute. So quickly do a layer of beige, do a layer of peach, and then do a layer with the blush pink. I use the pink to help define where the highlight's gonna go, and then I come in with the sienna brown there, and I leave the highlight where it is, and I use the sienna brown to get darker. I used the ochre a bunch of times, and then I love the goldenrod. I was going back and forth with that. Then I used the dark brown there just to get the edges darker. Here's my finished middle tone, skin tone sphere. I was loving the goldenrod to help blend in. I also used the beige a ton because once you layer up all those values, these light to medium tones, I don't know, I get more confidence when I'm able to use these to blend, and then I'll come back in with a couple darkers. But this is what it should look like by the end. You are going to do all 3 spheres today, or today and tomorrow, however long it takes for it to look nice, okay? I think you're doing amazing. I'm proud of you all. Love you.